You've probably seen those flashy ads promising overnight wealth, but the truth is becoming a millionaire isn't actually about luck or a windfall. It's about smart strategies, consistent effort, and long-term mindset. So what does it really take to become a millionaire? Let's break it down. Step one, mind your money. Budgeting. Create a realistic budget to track your income and expenses. Cut back on unnecessary spending. Identify areas where you can save money, like dining out or subscriptions. Have an emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Step two, invest wisely. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Seek professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. And step three, build multiple income streams. Have a side hustle if you're employed. Start a side business to supplement your income, and then when it grows, you can actually leave your job and concentrate on your side hustle, which can become your main income. Rental income. Invest in real estate, property, renting out. Any sort of property is usually profitable. You need to be careful about the strategies that you adopt these days because normal buy-to-lets don't work anymore. But as long as you're careful with the type of property you invest in, then you can be successful at renting out property. You can talk to us at alpusgroup.com about that. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks to generate passive income. Step four, continuous learning and adaptation. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest financial trends and investment strategies. Embrace lifelong learning. Invest in your education and skill development. Adapt to change. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plans as needed. Becoming a millionaire isn't a quick fix. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. But with the right mindset and strategies, it's definitely achievable. Remember, take small steps and have big goals. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually build on your success. Consistency is key. Consistency is more important than intensity. Seek advice. Don't be afraid to ask for help from financial advisors or mentors or coaches. Believe in yourself. A positive mindset is crucial for achieving your financial goals. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start implementing these strategies today. Remember, every small step counts. You can subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Like, comment, and share this video. And also you can check out our website, alpusonlineai.com. That's alpusonlineai.com, and you'll find on there a way in which you can start and grow your side hustle, or if you've already got a business, how you can grow your business to multi-million revenue and profitability. So check out our website, alpusonlineai.com, for the latest on artificial intelligence and how you can master AI in order to achieve your millionaire goals. Cheers for now.